Hi MMM community and to all the participants. Ako nga pala si Paul from Dasmariñas, Cavite and also an active member of MMM Global Philippines. As August 18, 2015, I request to provide help amounting to 9,300 pesos. And yesterday, August 22, I request an assistance amounting to 10,300 pesos. I would like to thank the following participants who provided me assistance: 2,400 from Christian Olan, 1,700 pesos from Rowa, 6,200 pesos from Angelica Kabahungan. Thank you to these participants, and thank you to Mr. Sergi Mabrodi, the MMM founder. And thank you to all active participants of MMM community. Together, we can change the world.